Bearing the school's insignia at national and even international level is the representative avenue. The clubs and societies belonging to this avenue strive to excel in their competitive arenas and place great significance in honing the next generations of talent in taking up the mantle. Their initiatives prioritize fostering skills of quick thinking, knowledge gathering, and communication. Turn to the representative avenue in order to sharpen your abilities and receive the platform to exhibit them. Presenting the representative clubs and societies of Royal College.
The Debaters Council is a representative club which not only carries out a multitude of highly successful projects throughout the year, but most notably takes part in a number of all-island and international debating tournaments. The vision of the club is to develop future leaders who have the ability to give out their opinion in a clear and understandable manner. The mission is to harness and develop talent in English debating and dialogue in students. The Royal College debating team is also one of the most successful debating teams within the country, bringing glory to college in numerous occasions. Throughout the year, the club carries out a large number of projects, most notably the Vijita Veerasinghe Memorial Debating Tournament, an all-island competition which also became the first online tournament in the island last year due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The club also carries out a number of successful projects such as the Evening of Debates and Inter-House Debating Championship. The Royal College General Knowledge Club is one of the most successful clubs in college. The vision of the club is to enhance general knowledge and popularize quizzing as a mind sport among royalists. The mission of the club is to create a more sophisticated and a more talented group of students with a vast and deep knowledge in different areas. We also hope to mold students who can shoulder Royal College towards the top of the Sri Lankan quizzing arena. The senior quiz team of Royal College, which is a part of the club, is held in high regards as one of the most successful quiz clubs in Sri Lanka, bringing glory to college numerous times. Throughout the year, the club carries out a large amount of highly successful projects, most notably the Blue and Gold Quiz, which will be taking place for the 31st consecutive year this year.
ගණනාවක් පුරාවට ශ්‍රී ලාංකීය විවාද ශේෂ්ත්‍රය තුළ රාජකීය නාමය රනින් සන්නිටුහන් කිරීමට රාජකීය විද්‍යාලයේ සිංහල කතික හා විවාද සංසදයට හැකියාව ලැබුණා. පාසල තුළහායින් පිටත ශේෂ්ත්‍රයේ අවශ්‍යතාවයන් හඳුනා ගනිමින් සංවිධානකරණයේත් නව්‍යකරණයේත් පුරෝගාමියා වූ රාජකීය විද්‍යාලයේ සිංහල විවාද සංසදය ශ්‍රී ලාංකීය විවාද කෙත තුළ රාජකීයන් සවිබල ගැන්වීමෙහිලා මෙන්ම ශේෂ්ත්‍රය තුළ රාජකීය නාමය රනින් සන්නිටුහන් කිරීමෙහිලා මෙහෙයුම්ගතව පවතිනවා. සෑම වසරක් පාසාම ශූරතාවයන් ගණනාවක් රාජකීය මවතුරලට ගෙනෙන රාජකීය විද්‍යාලයේ සිංහල විවාදකයෝ සංවිධානකරණයේ පුරෝගාමින් වන්නේ දිවයින පුරාම ව්‍යාපෘති ගණනාවක් සංවිධානය කරමින් ලෝකය පුරාවටම රාජකීය නාමය බබලවනවා. කට ඇති පුතුන් බිහි කළ එවන් වූ පුරාවෘත්තයකට ඔබේ නම එකතු කරන කාලයයි මේ.
வேட்பமொழிவதாம் சொல் என்னும் வள்ளுவன் வாக்கை தனது வேத வாக்காக கொண்டு ராயல் கல்லூரி தமிழ் விவாதக் கழகம் மாணவர்களிடையே தமிழ் தொண்டாற்றி வருகிறது. ராயல் கல்லூரி தமிழ் விவாதக் கழகம் தமிழ் மொழி மூலம் சமூகத்துக்கு அறிவும் தலைமைத்துவமும் பேச்சாற்றலும் கொண்ட பிரஜைகளை நல்குவதை தனது நோக்காகவும் தக்க வளங்களை நல்குவதன் மூலம் இப்பாடசாலை சூழலை மாணவர்களின் அறிவு மற்றும் விவாத திறனின் வளர்ச்சிக்கு உவப்பானதாக மாற்றுவதை தனது லட்சியமாகவும் கொண்டுள்ளது. கழகமானது ராயல் கல்லூரி தமிழ் விவாத அணிக்கு அத்திவாரமிடும் வகையில் விவாத போட்டிகளையும் பட்டறைகளையும் ஒழுங்கமைத்து வருகிறது. கழகத்தின் அதிஉன்னத பணிகளாக ராயல் மற்றும் பரிதோமா கல்லூரிகளுக்கு இடையிலான விவாதச் சமரையும், வேத்தியர்கிண்ணம் எனும் பாடசாலைகளுக்கிடையிலான விவாத போட்டியையும், பிற போட்டிகளில் விவாத அணியின் பிரதிநிதித்துவத்தையும் குறிப்பிடலாம். ஆகவே கழகத்தில் இணைய தரப்பட்டுள்ள தொலைபேசி இலக்கங்களை தொடர்பு கொள்ளுங்கள். நன்றி.